Hi everyone, this is Caitlin with the Corpus Christi Public Libraries, and today we are going to be playing the Picture Book Shuffle. This is a game that will help you find new picture books to read. It is very simple to play. In a few moments, I will be flashing a lot of picture book covers across the screen very fast. And whenever you feel like it, you are going to hit the pause button. Whatever picture book cover is on the screen when you hit the pause button is the book that you are going to read. All of these books are available through the Corpus Christi Public Libraries and can be found by going to our website, which is cctexas.com/library, and looking them up in our catalog. This is a game that is meant to be played over and over again, so hopefully you will always find some new picture books to read. And if you can't tell from what's behind me, this is the bird edition, so all of these will have birds in them. Are you ready to play? I hope you enjoyed playing this game and have found some new picture books to read. Please remember to like us on Facebook at Corpus Christi Public Libraries and keep checking back for more virtual programming. We hope to see you again soon.